Kaseng Trinamool Congress ka baro ki ang ka TMC hadien ka jingwan yu ka jat jong ka nong elam bah clear do jong ka seng ka Mamata Banerjee kala yo ban penbon pa ha ki benta ka rilum jantia bat rithor garu hadien bau estamor G Mominin ubala I no kumu MLA ka NPP jong ka pulbari bat MDC ka mukaya uba Romino Singkon kilawan ban penyaso sya ka tega seng ban longru kumpi kertong banyak kun ka election ban wan watla ka TMC kamsyam la penbenan ni aya ka rai henrei la tikana ba Mominin unya kun na Phulbari constituency but Robino Singkon na Ralyang constituency hakane ke election arajar pulai haba ajin kran pediang burame kini ki arngod Dr Mukul Sangma Uloong baka TMC kadap da jinkmen ban yoi ba kita kinoyalam kila nang smotho ya jingtmu trekam ka TMC.
The sitting MLA of Phulbari Legislative Assembly constituency, one of our young and promising leaders that people have chosen to elect as Mominin. Glad to have as part of our team, and I would like to both welcome and congratulate all your supporters, all the electorates of your constituency who have collectively decided to be part of this great career. Welcome once again and our best wishes. Collectively, we look forward to serve people with utmost sense of sincerity, honesty, and commitment. I'm also very happy to welcome my friend, Sri Robino Singkon, the former MLA and sitting MDC of Ganges Autonomous District Council. Thank you for being part of this parivar, for being part of this family. Thank you, Barovinos, and thank you to all your supporters, all your comrades who have agreed to be part of this great family. Barovinos Singkon has been a man who has served the people in different capacities as government officer, then decided to be an elected representative to serve people of very difficult areas. He represented in 2013 and 18 a very difficult area in our state of Meghalaya, the Kyrwoh constituency. We are refreshed with the memory of what has happened in one of the villages which falls within that constituency. So a man who is connected with people residing in the most difficult areas, people who is connected with most vulnerable group of people. Thank you once again and welcome to our great parivar.